In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename folders in Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm the change so your mailbox stays organized and easy to navigate. Start by opening your web browser and going to yahoo.com. At the top right, select Sign In and log into your account. Once you're signed in, click the mail icon at the top right to open Yahoo Mail. This brings you to your inbox. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the navigation panel. If you don't immediately see your custom folders, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Folders. This is where Yahoo lists any folders you've created, such as categories for projects, classes, travel, or receipts. Find the folder you want to rename. You can click it to highlight it if you'd like, but the key action is to open its options. The quickest way is to right-click the folder name. A small menu will appear with actions for that folder, including Rename Folder. If you're on a device where right-click isn't convenient, look for a small drop-down or three-dot menu next to the folder name. Click that and choose Rename Folder from the menu. After you select Rename Folder, the folder name will become editable. Type the new folder name you want to use. Keep it clear and specific so you can recognize it at a glance later. Short descriptive names work best, and avoiding special characters can help keep things tidy across devices. When you're happy with the new name, press Enter on your keyboard to confirm. You should see the folder update immediately in the left panel. All the emails inside remain exactly where they were, only the folder's label changes. If the new name doesn't appear right away, a quick refresh of the page usually resolves it. A quick note, system folders like Inbox, Sent, Drafts, Spam, and Trash are built in and can't be renamed. Renaming applies to the folders you created yourself. If you manage many folders, renaming them with a consistent naming pattern can make searching and sorting much faster. That's all there is to it. Sign in at yahoo.com, open Mail, scroll to the folders section on the left, open the folders options by right-clicking or using the drop-down, choose Rename Folder, type the new name, and press Enter. Thanks for watching and enjoy your cleaner, more organized Yahoo Mail.